Kiligin natin yung mga professional photographers at videographers because of this tripod. This is not your ordinary tripod. This is the Photo Pro Origin 20th Anniversary Edition. If you are a professional photographer, videographer, and you love to shoot outdoors, you will appreciate this kind of tripod. So bukod sa kaya napakagandang black and gold finish, kasi nga limited special edition, napaka-lightweight niya with only 1.33 kilos. That's because this is made up of carbon fiber material. Sobrang gaan, ang daling bitbitin, pero kayang bumuhat ng up to 15 kilos. Isa pa sa mga napansin ko dito, meron na nga pala siyang built-in quick release plate, adjustable ball joint, at alam mo bang kapag in-extend mo to, kaya niyang umabot up to 1.5 meters. Alam mo yung sobrang ganda niya pero very durable, so nakakatuwa naman talaga kapag ganito yung tripod mo. Isa pa sa mga napansin ko dito na wala sa mga ordinary tripod is that each leg can be adjusted to its own angle. So all you need to do is just to pull this at pwede mo nang iangat at ibaba kada paa. So hindi siya katulad ng mga ordinary tripod na iisa lang po yung direction. So ito po can actually be moved at its own angle. So why is this important? If you are shooting outdoor on rocky terrains o kaya naman uneven surfaces, that is very handy. So bawat paa, pwede mong i-adjust ng sarili niyang angle. Katulad po ng ginagawa ko dito. So if you're looking for a tripod na sobrang ganda, limited edition, lightweight at kayang magbuhat ng up to 15 kilos, again, this is the Photo Pro Origin Travel Tripod na gawa sa carbon fiber. Please visit their authorized retailers and I'll see you next time. Peace!